Okay. Yes. And now we're trying to save a bird.
We need it to fly.
Yeah, we need it to fly. Yeah, point it at Justin.
Yeah, and you won't learn to fly.
Now.
It's true.
Hi, Daddy. Keep coming back to me.
Come on.
Birdie! It's hard to hold that.
We'll be able to do this.
Okay, good. I hope.
Kirby, you hold the camera. You suck at getting the bird.
True.
Wait. Wait. This guy's gonna be okay.
I saved him. No, stop. Hand me down. I'm gonna get the camera.
Yeah, you
always
have to like do stuff. You're like, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry.
You're not gonna take the credit. Nope, not this time.
This is the guy who saved the bird.
And this is Stanley.
And I'm the
Hey,
idiot
Kirby!
who can't capture the bird.
Yes, you are. Now go away.
He's gonna be okay.
Whoa.
Ah!
Let me get him the camera. This is Stanley. We're trying to get him to fly. My dog Daisy mauled her.
And
True.
Kirby,
We don't know if it's a boy or a girl.
no, stop going like. Yeah. I'm so confused.
I put it on my account.
No.
It was my idea.
Yeah, but I'm going to take the bird.
However, it was my idea.
Both put it on both accounts. It's possible.
How about we make a deal? Since you want to help me to help you make a comedy video, I'll make you help you make a comedy video if you let me put this on my account.
How we both put it on our account? I only
It's on
have.
YouTube, find it.
Listen, I only have one video.
You shouldn't even have an account in the first place.
That's not true.
Okay. I'll help you make a comedy video if you put it on my account.
We'll put it on both our accounts.
Shut up! Okay? Now let's fly. Come on! Yeah.
Okay, just land on the roof again. What?
Put it on my account first.
Yes. I'll call it different titles.
I said it'll be Justin Saves Birdie. No, I don't know. Something like that.
I saved Stanley to Robin.
But I didn't. It won't freaking come back. Kirby, how many minutes is on there? You only make it 9.
Let's see, it's 3 minutes.
I'm giving you permission to chuck it. Come on, little dude!
Oh, so close! So close. Sorry.
Kirby, point at us.
I can't even see what's on the screen.
Alright. Give it another try. Here, tilt it a little bit.
No,
No, not that way.
Oh, this way.
Alright.
no, other way. Okay, no, just keep it there. Okay.
Stanley. I'm gonna jump down from the ladder.
Okay, Stanley.
Uh,
I'm blowing up for you. Again.
is the camera? Let's.
Get back, Kirby, get over the basket.
Okay, I'm going to where Patrick is.
Let's get back to the camera.
No, I want to hold the camera.
Well, I'm probably more qualified.
That's the camera, Stanley.
I can't tell.
Force him.
Here, let me hold it. Give me that.
Give it to him. Over here. Dude, it doesn't show us.
That's because the lighting. I need to move back here.
It shows you.
Is it too Stanley?
No.
Whatever.
It's because your foot's in the way, though.
Stop ignoring me.
Go! Go.
Any day now. We're very young here.
Okay.
Alright, Kirby, after Stanley. Wait.
Ah, Stanley!
I don't want to hold the camera.
Put on the table.
Okay.
Someone's gotta hold the camera.
No, you gotta hold the camera.
Hey, take Stanley. Someone's gotta hold the camera.
No one's gotta hold it.
Otherwise they won't see Stanley flying.
Yes, they will. You tilt it like.
Yeah, there
All of a sudden, you keep facing it.
Yeah, you keep going like the trail.
Oh, here, I'll show you. I'm right here.
I can't even see the completely tree.
Doesn't matter.
Chuck it.
They saw Stanley smack into the window.
Justin?
You're so mean. That's it. I'm holding the camera.
How many minutes?
Let's see. 6 minutes.
Everyone's gonna have to get him fly on the ground now so we can actually see. And I don't want to smack him into the window anymore.
Justin, get it back on the roof.
No, I don't want to smack him into the window.
No, you need to chuck it because you had better luck, and now you're just like toss again.
Stop moving it, Kirby. Alright, look. Stanley the bird. Just put it on the table.
Justin?
I think I've got a plan.
We need to make this work. They can't even see Stanley. Well, Stanley. Stanley photo.
Jeez, wait.
Click. It took a picture. Okay. The
This
new
is Stanley.
Stanley Bud.
It's not Bud.
Stop bullying it.
I'm trying to get it to fly. The camera's doing things so late.
Yes, it is. But it doesn't show him doing it late on YouTube.
Oh my gosh, what are you doing?
Yeah! Give me Stanley.
No. Yeah.
I can get him into the tree.
Get him off of you, Justin.
Okay.
Here we
Watch
go. More attempts.
Watch out.
Wait. Alright.
You're on the trampoline?
Oh!
Stanley!
I got him like free flexible.
That's all we got for today, folks. Bye.